Welcome back to another video, guys. Thanks for tuning into Jojo Coco Studio. Today we're going to be doing a mod on this guy right here, the Corsair 400C. It's been around for a while and it's not a new case, but it looks kind of empty over here, and I want to do some mod over here and maybe something on the side panel as well. That'll be really cool. So yeah, hopefully I won't go all crazy like, in my previous video, but if you are into that kind of stuff, I'll put the link in the description down below. And yeah, let's get started, guys. So guys, as mentioned earlier, I'm going to be doing some modifications to the front panel of the case. And I was just looking at this earlier, and so it's just basically a piece of metal in front. And what's interesting is that there's this foam here, but I guess I probably won't be using that, so that's fine. I'm going to be putting some LED lights across the front panel as well, so I guess I have to shave this down. I'll show you in a bit what tools I'll use. And yeah, so it's just quite straightforward, but I think the challenging bit is just like the measurements. It has to be really precise so that, hopefully it turns out the way how I want it to turn out, right? Yes, inside it's quite dark and I want to paint the interior, so I might have to take this case apart, and hopefully that doesn't cause that much trouble to the overall structure. But if you can take everything out, you should be able to take put everything back, right? So hope that's fine. All right, guys, but before we start doing anything, I just want to show you my plan to mod this 400C. So we're here at the SketchUp Make 2017, and as you can see right here, I've created like a really basic model of the front panel. I'm gonna go for a two-tone design, which is the gray and the black with red accents. These red accents are, the LED colors, so obviously it'll be red. And yeah, hopefully it looks something like this. Alright guys, I don't know if we ran into a problem, but the thing is, this gray right here does not look like this gray right here. Come on, Rust-Oleum, what is going on in here? Because I really wanted this area to be like really dark gray, but unfortunately, I don't know, this is lighter than I expected, right? Not sure if I should redo this thing and just make it just black. I don't know. Okay, well anyways, we'll leave this to dry for, I don't know, approximately 24 hours, and then yeah, let's see how it goes. Actually guys, I take that back. It looks kind of cool actually, so yeah, we'll leave it as is. Remember that I mentioned that inside it's quite dark and I want to paint the interior. So I'm just looking around here, and I think I'm just gonna paint only this side, I mean the back of the motherboard. So I guess we'll have to take this apart and yeah. Alright guys, so after 24 hours leaving this paint to dry, let's check out some results. Now I have to be honest with you, I'm kind of nervous about this bit over here because I accidentally pulled the acrylic what do you call it, acrylic cover off by accident, and as you can see here, it doesn't seem to, you know, lay flat compared to other ones, so hopefully that's all right. And yeah, okay, let's pull this off together, guys. Wow, this is actually quite stiff. Hope it's all right. All right, here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Okay, all right, some paint bleed. All right. Oh, okay, that's quite interesting. Okay, all right, we'll just let that rip for a bit. Concentrate on this one first. Okay. Looking all right, looking all right. Okay, about over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cool. All right, so it's all good. Okay, so what do you guys think? There's like a little bit of tiny paint bleed over here. I guess this one is also one of the most important part of the modification, right? Because the logo will definitely stand out, and I plan to put like a white LED underneath so that the Corsair logo will really shine. All right, here we go. Should just simply rip off. One last one, guys, and we'll be done. Very nice. All right, guys, I am 100%, well, 99% satisfied with this one. Yeah, that looks kind of cool, actually. What do you guys think? So remember I mentioned that I'm gonna shave these parts off because I'm gonna put the red acrylic underneath here, so it actually lays flat, like on the actual surface, right? And so these two, this acrylic and this metal will be over like this, and yeah, let's start shaving this bit. Alright guys, as you can see here, I've shaved it down, and I think I ran into a small problem where this red acrylic does not properly fit. So but I can put it like, you know, brief. And there you go. Something like that. As you can see here, I have a gap here. So alright, I'm gonna quickly fix that and also shave this bit as well. Alright guys, so now that's done, let's put red LEDs underneath this cover so that we can see these like really awesome looking glowing red accents. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with this over here first. So my plan is to put a red LED. So obviously over here, this is a red LED strip. It's quite small. I think it's 3 millimeters thick, or 3 millimeters wide. So I plan to put it over here, and also I want to put another extra red LED over here. So something like this. It does not look red to me, but trust me, this is red. Oh, I really want to share this experience. How do you set the white balance? Maybe it's this? I don't know. Oh, is that it? Yeah, that looks better. So guys, it looks something like that. So guys, as I was looking through this, I think, well, let's change the white balance to look a little bit red, because that is red, guys. Okay guys, so as I was looking through this light, I think that, I don't know, it looks kind of too red, or like just too brightly red. So what I was thinking is that, like, I want to make some little bit of more modifications to this acrylic sheet by adding a mesh on it, so it kind of tones down the brightness of the red, but it's still red, but that's pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna cut this and put this hexagonal think mesh. I got this mesh from the Cooler Master, by the way, because this part is not needed in my case anymore. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna cut this out, yeah, and put this on. All right, guys, I'm gonna change my mind. Yeah, sorry to disappoint anyone, but like, I'm gonna remove the LED strips from this red accents. The reason for this is because I don't know, it's just doesn't seem well if I fit this LED. It really like pushes like everything up, and so everything will be uneven. Plus, like, I just painted this red at the back, and as you can see that the red lines are like pretty looking good, and so I mean if that looks good, that will probably look good as well, right? But I'm still gonna put the mesh over it, so my excuse is probably to hide like some imperfections from the glue, right? So hopefully we won't see this. Hopefully the mesh will cover it and it won't be that visible. Alright, yeah, I know it's a change of plans, but I don't know, it's just, I don't know, LED just doesn't seem to work out for me. Alright guys, looks like I got away with it again. So I've put the mesh over the red acrylic accent, and we cannot see those glue stains over here as well, so that looks fine. And yeah, I'm still gonna put white LEDs under this Corsair logo. So definitely, yeah, I'll slide this underneath and drill a hole over here, and so we can route the cables and connect it to our PSU. These are 1/8 rivets, or in other words 4-4, and I heard these are like the main standards for, you know, for computers, just to let you know. So guys, for the Corsair white LED logo on the front panel, I'm gonna solder, I don't know. I'm gonna solder onto a Molex connection, or Molex connector, which is the male connector. And obviously this male connector connects to our Molex PSU, right? So just for a little information, we have to connect the positive to the positive. So for this LED strip here, the white is the positive, so I'm gonna connect this to the yellow and connect to the black to the black. All right, let's get started. Now it's very unfortunate that I don't have a picking tool, but I can get away with this and just push like the lock inside, and so we can pull the pins out. Do you see that pin right there? Yeah, I'm just gonna, I mean, not the pin, a lock. So I'm just gonna push that down, and hopefully should just stay down so we can pull it out. Alright, push that down as well. Alright, so hopefully, there you go. Alright, so that was easy. So if you didn't understand what was going on, it's basically, this thing was like flapping out. See that? So what I did was I pushed that down, and so I can pull it out easily. Alright, I'm just gonna do the rest. Alright guys, so yes, the case mod is nearly there, but all we have to do now is put in the guts. So obviously, let's check out the PC parts here. We're riding with the GTX 1060, the MSI Gaming X, H270 Gaming M3 motherboard. Along with that, we got the Core i5 7500 KB Lake CPU. What is cooling that is a big CPU cooler, the H5 by Corsair right there. And hopefully I can fit in some RGB fans by Thermaltake. That'll be pretty cool. And interesting cable sleeving from my local store. So yeah, we're trying to match with the with this, right? The color theme. So black, gray, and red. And last but not least, I'm gonna throw in an SSD, a 240 gigabytes by Kingston. All right, let's put all this together and see how it goes. Alright guys, I guess we've come to an end of this video, and yes, this modifications to the Corsair 400C was quite simple, but I guess like the the measurements and like the cutting has to be like really precise, but like there's nothing too much going on in this modifications. I guess it's just the front panel and some little bit of painting of the PSU cover and the back of the motherboard tray. So yes, obviously I went with the black, gray, and red accents, and I wonder if I went with the LEDs over here, I guess it'll be like really bright. But yeah, I mean, I'm kind of satisfied with this. It's kind of like a low profile, low key, so it's pretty cool. I really like how I did this, so that's pretty excellent. So let's see what I've learned along the way. So here I kind of messed up because I accidentally pulled the acrylic cover off by accident, but yeah, obviously I mentioned that earlier in the video. The logo of the Corsair with LED lights behind it looks excellent. I really like that. That's really cool. And overall, yes, the theme goes really well, especially that CPU cooler, the Cryorig H5. I think, oh yes, H5 Ultimate. So this is like the big version. So as you can see, that it's like really kissing the RAMs, right? I think you can only put 2 RAM slots in this CPU cooler. So if you guys like interested in that, just consider that. The graphics card, yes, it goes very well with the build, black and red theme. And yeah, guys, overall, yeah, I'm kind of proud of this. It's a very simple mod, but like it actually, has a difference, if you know what I mean. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, and you'll get to watch more videos on like mods and maybe some tech reviews or computer related reviews, obviously. Yeah guys, yeah, I hope you guys have a good one, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later guys, bye.